Hi friends, welcome to Option Trading की दुनिया. In this episode, let me bring before you the Nifty and Bank Nifty positions and levels for the day 2nd March 2022. So now let me start with the participant wise open interest position. So let us see how DIIs, FIIs, retail clients, professional traders have taken positions in derivatives. So let me now first come with the FIIs. FIIs are very important in Indian market. So now let me focus on the FII data. So FIIs have got in option index. So you see the yellow mark. This is the FIIs. So large positions in option put. So we can expect a market fall over the few days, and then future index long. So they are long in index, but not to a great extent, and they have also taken call long positions. So majority of the FIIs are long in put, and they have shorted puts. You can see they have shorted puts, but not to great an extent. So this is very important figure. So FIIs have taken long position in options. Yeah, especially on the put side. Now let us come to DIIs. Not much data to be analyzed. If you see the retail clients, large number of retail clients are on long on calls. So retailers are taking a call position. So indication that market is going against them, and also they have shorted calls at higher positions. So retailers are trapped already because markets are falling and they are in long positions in calls. Now what about the pros? There is nothing great data about the pros. Let me just clear this data. Yes. So about the pros are in orange color. Almost call and put side equal number. So they are sufficiently hedged. So only thing FII data is clear indication that market is going to go down. So this is the participant wise open interest analysis. Now I close this and let me come to the next part. So I have closed that. Now let me come to the FII, FPI and DII data. So now if you see the FII data, FIIs were net sellers to the tune of 4,000 crores on 28th February, and DIIs equal amount they have purchased. Yeah, so it's an indication that DIIs are preparing themselves for the LIC IPO. So they are pumping in money, whereas the FIIs are selling at each rise. Now let us move forward. I'll close this. Yeah. So now let me come to, yes. Okay. Very important part, that is let me come to the Nifty Bank chart. So Nifty Bank opened at a very important support, that is let me indicate 35,379. So this is the support. Now it is trading below the support. Now currently it is trading at 35,246. Yeah, if you see, yes, the next support for Bank Nifty is placed at around this one, 34,727. Yeah, since the Ukraine and Russia conflict intensifying, yeah, Russian military is already inside the capital city of Kiev and 50 kilometers away. and they are targeting key posts, and that also attacking the major cities in Ukraine. So market is in the war mode. Yeah, so there can be a big fall in the afternoon session. Bank Nifty, we can expect a target of 34,727. Yeah, and here you can see the pivot. Pivot is placed at around, yeah, let me come this side. Yeah, okay. So pivot is 36,032. Hardly there is any chance that it can go to the pivot. Yeah, let me not discuss about the higher levels, not possible today. Now let me come to the Nifty chart. Yeah, see, Nifty is very precariously placed between uh, the pivot. So, pivot is 16,653, and the uh, lower level, that is in the pivot we have got central range. The lower range is around 16,600. So market is already trading below it. Yeah. So 16,600 is the support, but it has already broken that support. The next level for Nifty is 16,492. Yeah, 16,492. If that one is broken, next support is around 16,195. 16,195. Let me write it down. Okay, 16,195. Yeah. So from 16,492, there is no support at all in between. So 16,195 will be the support. So pivot will be a major resistance. So clear this. So this will be, pivot will be a major resistance. Next resistance is placed around the upper central pivot range, that is 16,721. If that one is crossing only 16,950. Yeah, day before yesterday is higher, so 16,938. So there is hardly any chance that the market can go up. Yeah, if it is falling below 16,492, there is a major fall going to be from there. So 16,195. Okay, so this is the analysis. So trade cautiously, sell on rise, sell on rise. So it is always better that uh, it's always better that when the market is moving higher, you sell on each rise, yeah, for a lower targets of 16,492 and 16,195. So this is the strategy for Nifty and Bank Nifty. And if you can see the currency market has depreciated a lot today. It has almost touched 76 rupees per dollar. It is an indication that FIIs are selling. So trade cautiously, always sell on rise. So thank you for watching this episode. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like, comment and share. Thank you.